Hi, welcome to My Two Bits. My name's Laura Batante. Today I have these adorable little ladybugs to make, and very easy to make. They are just 2 colors of cardstock and just a few pieces. And I'm making them small. I think they're quite adorable at this size. But as you can see, super easy just to enlarge this at home, and then you could make it with littler kids. So super flexible craft that way. So let's just jump right in. So materials for today's craft, the template, which is available right there in the video notes, some red and black cardstock, and you do not need very much at all. Even if you were going to double the size of this guy, I bet you'd only use a half a sheet of the black and obviously less of the red. So I'm using a glue stick. I have a hole punch for this size for the dots, and if you want to do it with the little hearts, which would look super cute at Valentine's Day, you could do that. Also, if you want to enlarge this craft to like double the size, you can get yourself a hole punch like this. This is a 5/8 one, or cut some out. Or even use stickers. Stickers would work great too. And then I've got my scissors, and that is all we need. All right, so I have my body cut out and my wings, and I have my holes punched, and I'm just going to do the antenna and the legs. And you could, if you are older and able to use an X-Acto knife, go ahead and do that. That would be fast and easy. But it's actually quite easy to do this too. Now we'll pop on a paper clip. I do love the paper clips. And then all we're going to do is make one end just slightly a little bit thicker than the other. And so you can just go along one at a time like so. And that's really easy to do. And it doesn't have to be perfect. They're just his little legs, and you only see the bottom of his feet anyway, so no worries on that. And there we go. We'll cut out the last one there. Hard to put the paper clip on when I don't even need that now. Oh, I went a little bit thin. I'm going to cut that off. See, that happens to everybody. And then go again. There we go. All right, and then the same for his antenna. This one, we're just wanting 2 long, thin lines. So, same thing. We'll just cut it. What I'm going to do is cut the outside and then cut down the middle. I think that's the easiest. But you do what you find easiest. Again, you could totally use your X-Acto knife and ruler for this. There we go. All right, now we're ready to put it all together. Okay, so I've placed my wings, but I have not glued them down yet. I want to put the spots on first, and I'm just going to use my little tongs here. I don't need to, you don't need to use them, but it will spare me jamming my fingernail into the glue, which I have a tendency to do, and then I make a big mess. So I'm just going to go with it like this to make it a little bit neater, but crafting's not neat, so it's okay. If you get a little glue on you. Now the reason I have them lined up like this is I kind of want to have my spots mirroring each other, but you do not have to do that. You can do whatever you want. You don't even have to have your dots all the same size. You can go crazy and do whatever you like. There we go. Excellent. So now when I go to put my wings on, I'm only going to put the glue up here on the top. That way I can give a little bit of bend to the wing once it dries. Just gives it a little dimension. I like that, so that's why I'm doing it. And if you don't want to, you can go ahead and glue it right down, no problem. All right. Now for the antenna, if you want to, you can wrap it around a pencil first, gets it going, which is kind of makes it a little bit easier. Or not. That's how I did it before. There we go. And then just roll it up again. And you can make this however you like. You don't have to make it round. You could make it all kind of kinky or whatever, zigzaggy, you know, that would be fun. I kind of like it curled. And then at the bottom here, I just twist it a little bit. That just makes it so that it's easier to glue. So that's the part that I've twisted flat there is where I'm going to put my glue on and attach it. There, I got glue on me anyway. Always happens. Okay. And you can play with those after, because right now we have to put on some legs. And you'll notice that I didn't put like a fold line or anything on where to bend the legs, because you can do your legs however you like. I like that they have kind of big feet. So that's really the only thing I'm thinking about. Well, I just threw one on the floor. I'm gonna have to take a break. Well, luckily I was able to find that, so that's good news. Okay, so I'm just going to bend the group of them about, I don't even know what that is, a little more than a ½ inch. And then I'm going to bend them back. These ones are going to have maybe a bit of a shorter leg on them. So now the key is just to find the slightly thinner end, because that's the end we're gluing. And then I just position it so that the bend is basically at the black of his body, and I'm going to put one set of legs to the front, one set of legs to the back, and then a set in the middle. And that is all you need to do. There we go, and he just needs a little extra bend. And if you find that you've done one of your legs a little too long, just fix the bend. If you don't think you can fix it, you can just rip it off and make another one. No big deal. There we go. All done. And again, same with the antenna, you can bend those after you have them attached. And then the only other thing that I need to do here is I'm just going to bend the wing up a little at the back. And there you have it. Now I have quite a little set. And my usual mess. There we go. All right, well, thanks very much for joining me today. I hope you like this craft, and I hope you do try it in a couple of different sizes. I think that would be really fun. So if you did enjoy this craft, please remember to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much.